In this case, I'm going to teach you how to use a podium with and without a microphone. So let's start with the microphone since it is ready. Number one thing, make sure you are positioned in the middle of the podium. Balance the podium. Neither on the side nor on the other. In the middle of the podium. With the microphone held or without a microphone, it is acceptable if you want to stress a point to come on the side and then after you go back. If you want to stress another point, you can also go on the other side of the podium. Tip number 2, the car horn caution. You know, you can press your hands on a car horn, right? And it won't go off. Now the rule here is, when you are using the podium, your hands should rest on the podium, but not press the podium. So neither should you do this, nor this, nor that. It should be the way that if this podium was a car horn, it would not what? Go off. Balance hand gestures. Balance hand gestures. Only 3 rules. When you're balancing hand gestures with the podium, number 1, at no one point should both your hands be on the podium for more than 40 seconds. So at a certain point, one of your hands should be leaving. Or at another point, you may speak for about 20 seconds and later the other hand does what? Moves. That gives us the second rule. The hand that moves should be exchanged. So at a certain point, this moves so that you balance your audience. At another point, this moves. I think this goes without saying. Your hands should never move up below. They move up or straight. Why not below? Because people won't see them. The last tip would need me to turn this podium, and I want you to pay attention. Please do not step forward on the podium. Most podiums will not allow you the luxury of leg room, like the feet room. Like, you see how here? Now, when you're speaking with just a microphone or without a microphone, this is okay. But there will be times when the microphone is put in front with a microphone stand. In that case, you can't move aside. That's number 1. Number 2, usually it can't come as close to your mouth. So sometimes you need to be as close to the microphone as possible. It means it's you who can move. Unfortunately for you, you are likely to be tempted to lean in. Have you seen people do this? Yeah. So don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Just because you want to get close to the microphone. Make sure the microphone is at the height and step up but not forward. Step what? Up but not forward. Meaning, instead of stepping forward to lean in, I come close and step up. You see that it gets my body closer? So it's this leg just steps up. So it allows me to come closer to where the microphone is. If you're stepping forward, you do this. Do you see how fun it is? If you're stepping up, I come close, I'll be this. So you continue speaking and your body is straight. So step up and not forward. Not like up. So the first part of your feet is on the floor, but the tip of your feet is stepping on the podium. Make sense? Okay. That is how you use a podium. And today, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be using a podium.